It is a serious decision with grave consequences for victims' families.
The battle over the death penalty heads to the Florida Supreme Court today, everybody. The arguments from State Attorney Aramis, Ayala, and Governor Rick Scott.
From News 13, the morning's first news. Traffic and weather together. This is your morning news weather now.
Time now 6:03. So a big showdown today up in Tallahassee. A local state attorney is taking on Governor Rick Scott face to face, and it's all over the death penalty. News 13's Jerry Hume is joining us live at state attorney's office in downtown Orlando. Jerry, the outcome of this particular case could have a big impact on cases not just in our area, okay, but across the state.
Yes, Beth, State Attorney Aramis Ayala for Orange and Osceola County is suing Governor Rick Scott. Both sides, you can see, have filed plenty of paperwork with the state Supreme Court, and the court's decision could have a big impact on if we'll see more death penalty cases here at this courthouse or none at all. When State Attorney Aramis Ayala announced in March she would not seek the death penalty in any case that came before her office, the backlash was swift. Governor Rick Scott removed her from 22 high-profile murder cases, reassigning them to another state attorney. It set the stage for today, when Ayala takes the governor to the state's highest court.
It's extraordinarily unusual.
Ayala's lawyers argue she is independently elected by voters and has the right to seek the death penalty or not.
It is my position that the governor's order is unlawful.
But attorneys for the governor disagree, saying Ayala's blanket decision refusing to seek the death penalty sets a dangerous precedent. Barry University assistant law professor Michael Morley weighs in.
Well, while she is independently elected, in her capacity as a prosecutor, when she's making those decisions, she's exercising executive power. And under the Florida state constitution, the governor is the chief executive of the state, and ultimately the governor has responsibility to take care that the laws be faithfully executed, including laws governing the death penalty and the circumstances under which it's available.
Ayala has also sued Governor Scott in federal court, but that's on hold until the Florida Supreme Court lawsuit is resolved. Oral arguments are set for 9 this morning in Tallahassee. It could be weeks or months before we get a decision from the Supreme Court. Reporting live this morning here in Orlando, Jerry Hume, News 13.